Nigel's packed and ready to go. Sun is up, getting ready to take off on the big journey to Oklahoma. Totally excited. Getting ready to roll out.
Oh, the weather's looking pretty sketch. Are we going to hit rain or not? Are we going to skirt around it? Or are we going to hit it? That, my friends, is the question. We know at some point today we might hit rain, but it looks like we might just skirt around it. Still in New York, just passing Cobleskill. Weather is 64 degrees, it's perfect. A little bit of humidity in the air. So far everything's going well. Pray for sunshine. Ooh, I just felt a little warm patch. That felt good. Oh, we're hitting a little bit of rain. Not too bad so far, but we are hitting it. Let's just pray that it isn't a wash. I can handle the sprinkles. But not a downpour. Come on, weather, hold out. So we're just now crossing the border, and we've got about 4 hours and 5 minutes to reach our destination. And we're traveling on route Pennsylvania 81, which is not my favorite road to ride on, but that's what we're on. We're trying to make good time today because of the rain. If it wasn't going to rain, we were going to take a little bit longer to get to where we're going, but I don't want to put my tent up in the rain. Hopefully we'll have time to go through Gettysburg. Maybe not. If not, maybe we can see it on the way home. But right now we're so lucky. We've only had a couple of sprinkles.
So we stopped to get gas. This is our second stop today. We have about 4 hours and 29 minutes left so far to get to Harper's Ferry. Everything's good. The rain's been spotty, not too bad, but everything's going well. The bike does feel a little heavy, but I know I just have to get used to it. But so far so good. Just gassed up for the second time, and we're ready to go and hit the next leg of this trip today. Just outside of Binghamton. We're getting ready to get on a poopy highway in Pennsylvania. 81, hate it. I just seriously hate 81 with all of my fiber. So yeah, we're doing good. We're doing real good. I feel really good. I'm wide awake. I'm not feeling tired at all. I hate wearing all this gear though. My God, I just have rain gear on and my armor and my pants, and it's just sucks. But anyway, yeah, things are going great. We'll catch up with you in a little bit.
Typical summer construction that's always here every summer. I don't get it. I was just on this road last year in the same construction site. That's just quite ridiculous. But so far, yay! Look, let freedom ring, baby. Welcome to Pennsylvania. So that's good. We're making good time. In absolutely no rush. Just hoping that we can beat the rain to get our tent up. So it's all good. Man, nothing like a little mountainous fog. Keep you on edge. Well, we are in York, Harrisburg, and if anyone ever wants to know why I dislike it here, this is why. Traffic shitstorm. Always. Oh, I missed the sign. Welcome to Maryland. We're only being Maryland for a short moment. We decided to not go to Gettysburg today because, as you can see, the weather doesn't seem like it's going to cooperate. So we're just going to get out of the Gettysburg area because it was supposed to get rain with a 97% chance today. So we're just going to try to get to Harper's Ferry to set up our tent so we're not doing it in the rain. And we only got 45 minutes to get to Harper's Ferry. That guy had horns on his helmet. Yeah. Oh, it's right. It's Labor Day. Yeah. Like, if we hit Gettysburg, it'll be in the middle of the week. Good point. Today probably would not be a good day. Crossing over the Potomac River. Ah! Wow. Majestic. The Potomac goes all the way to DC. That's something else. Oh, yeah, they are. That's cool. I think I'll keep my eyes on the road. Oh, it's so hard to, though. There's so many rafters in the river. It's so cool. Welcome to Virginia. Oh my gosh, look at this road we gotta go up. Yikes. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't even look down. Yep. Oh my gosh. My nerves are so shot. I'm so ready to end this ride. Even though it's cool. Well, welcome to the mountains there, love. Getting a little taste of what it's going to be like for a whole week. Oh my gosh, Eric, this is a shit show. I don't know if you're going to be able to get up here. Well, you should. You'll be okay. It was easy. Spring Park Trail. Up this road. And then where do we go? Oh. Please don't be up high. On the right. We passed it. I don't know where to go. I have no idea where to go. Well, we are in a pickle. We have no idea where we are. We're on the side of some damn mountain. The instructions brought us here. It doesn't look anything like where we're supposed to be staying. Maybe if we can just back up. Okay. Let's get out of here. And this is why we didn't camp tonight. The weather is looking very bad. Thunderstorms and everything is a bad storm, so we're trying to avoid it. Oh my gosh, it looks bad too. Smart move. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. We missed this. Oh my gosh. Thunder, lightning's crazy. Oh, bikes are secure. Hopefully they don't fall over in the wind. Oh, you see that? Oh God.